guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Noel, and if you're new here, please click that red subscribe button. As you can see by the title of this video, we're doing a what I got for Christmas 2020 because we love to watch these videos. Let's just start there. I would love to see what you guys got. So before we even start the video, leave a comment down below what your favorite Christmas present was. I just want to do a little disclaimer. I'm not bragging about all the things that I got. These are gifts, and I'm very grateful that everyone in my family got them for me. Christmas is a time where you really enjoy your family's presents, or your friends' presents, anyone who you love. It's really not about receiving gifts. I just hope everybody's really grateful for what they got and for what they have. With that being said, Merry Christmas, and I hope everyone enjoyed. I'm finished on my gifts though, so if you want to see, keep on watching. I'm gonna just show you guys something small. So the first gift I got was from my mother, and she got me these cute little reindeer socks. Should I wear them right now? I'm wearing them right now because I don't have any socks on. Oh, they're so cute. It's literally Santa. I'm a fool. I said reindeer. Child, girl, if you don't. They look so cute. They literally look like reindeer though. Bitch, no the fuck they don't. Aren't they cute though? Next. So the next gift we have is also in the same category. These are little like house slippers that you kind of just wear, and they have gomita in the back. If y'all know what gomita is, it's like the rubber, and they're really cute, and they're like gray with a little fern inside and a palm. Very cute. Love these. Thanks, mom. Next on the list, my boyfriend got me this thing. If you don't know what this is basically a Polaroid printer, but it's the one that you connect to your phone. It prints out any picture from your phone. You can edit pictures on this app and print it out with the effects on it. It's mad cool. I love it. It's a great gift. Thank you, Pooh. Along with that, we also just have the box of film. He gave me like a lot. I've always done this since I was younger. I've always made scrapbooks or just books in general. I loved One Direction back then. So I had a scrapbook of One Direction. When I find all my 1D stuff, I'm doing a video. I have to do a video. Like, first of all, I must do a video. Anyways, I really love that Polaroid gift. It was so handy, so useful. So thank you, Pooh. The next thing I got for Christmas was this robe. Like, bro, you already see the robe and you're like, wow, that's fire. It's a pink silk robe. Like, who wouldn't want that? But let's just start with the front. Winnie's mommy won. And let's look at the back. I love this robe. This was from my sister. Should I try it on? It's so cute. And I'm very much Winnie's mommy. And it has a little lace detail. Name on the back. I might be getting married soon. You hear me? That was one of my sister's gifts. It was well good. So 10 out of 10. Shout out to you, Gigi. The next thing I got for Christmas is a robe. It's like cheetah print. And that is so me. Like, there you go. It's white with cheetah print, and you can only get a white robe if you're not a dirty bitch. So I'm not a dirty bitch. Thank you, mom, for noticing that. Say hi, Cindy. I'm super happy that I got one that's warm for the winter and cold for the summer, or even when it's hot in the house or when it's cold in the house. I love that it's soft. It was a cheetah print for me. Thank you, mom. I really love this robe. The next thing I got from my mom might be TMI to some people, so if you're not a girl or you're like a weirdo, then this might offend you. But my mom got me a set of 3 bras. This is a perfect gift because everybody needs bras, and bras are expensive. So thank you, mom, for buying me this. I really needed it and I love it. Thank you. The next thing I got for Christmas is something that I needed, but I didn't know that I needed. So thank you, sis, once again. I just got this steamer. We will definitely use this. The next thing I got for Christmas was something that I really needed. This perfume. I instantly fell in love. I've smelled this before, and I told me, I'm like, yo, where the fuck are you getting your perfumes? Because I need one. I don't have. And this was really expensive. So shout out to my sister. It's good. I love it. I think it smells so good. I just put you on. The next thing I got for Christmas was something so cute, and I love getting these as gifts because it just shows how much somebody cares about you. And I'm very spiritual, so if y'all are spiritual, I feel that. So the next thing I got was just this little candle and stone set, and I love that it matches with my nails. I thought that was so cute and very much so unplanned. The candle represents love and friendship, and basically so does the stone. Thank you, Donnie, if you're watching this. I love that. The next thing I got for Christmas was something that Gigi gave me, and look how cute, y'all. Carrying case for Winnie. I have been carrying Winnie around in my bag for so long, but we're growing, you know. I want Winnie to be comfortable when we travel. The next thing I got on this beautiful Christmas was How fire are these? Fire, F-Y-E, fire. I love the yellow wing soles. I love that it's off-white. My shoelaces say shoelaces. The tongue has a cutout. These are so cute. Y'all hype because y'all got Uggs. But like I said, be grateful for everything. But like, I'm really happy, bro. So shout out to my boyfriend because he does that every motherfucking time. Ciao. The last thing and the biggest thing I got for Christmas was, drumroll please, sewing machine, y'all. This is the main gift I had asked for Christmas. It was my mom that I really want to learn how to sew, and she got me this beautiful brand new sewing machine. I also really need a table. Yeah, I'm so excited. These are really expensive, but it comes with a lot of things and it shows you how to use it. So I'm super excited to pick up this new hobby in 2021. Signed by Noel is here. I'm telling y'all, I'm finna make yo, y'all can't stop me. Y'all cannot stop me. That's it. It's over. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you don't already, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at chanel.noel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new video. My lip gloss is popping. I seen it at the locker and all the boys keep stopping. Oh y'all, I love my hair natural today.